In this video, I will demonstrate how to apply cabling and how to copy an electrical installation using the mirror function. Well, the cable function is available in the electrical toolbox. When we select the cable function, we open the dialog flow path, where we could change the configuration of the cable or open the project database. In this case, I'll just let it as by default, click OK, and start this cable from this lamp. Now I would like to change the mounting height, so I can use the hotkey page up, and I would like to move up 5 centimeters, so I have here 0.05 meters. Now I would like to isolate this cable by a conduit, so I will right mouse click and I have this option change placing, which the shortcut is F8. And to insert a conduit, I activate the use conduit here. Okay, now I'll click OK to continue, and I will move this cable inside the wall. And now I would like to connect to this junction box behind the switch. So I will move my cursor to this junction box, and it will show me all the available connections. And I know the height of the junction box behind the switch is the switch is at 1.05, but the connection above is at 1.08, so this is the one I will connect. It has connected automatically, and if we use the camera view, this is the result. Okay, if we move closer, we can see here the representation of the cable alone and the cable isolated by a conduit. Let's go back to 2D, because now I would like to copy this complete installation to this adjacent room. To do so, I will select everything I would like to copy. Now I come to the menu, edit, and I select the option copy and mirror selected objects. I have to create an axis, a mirror axis. So I will create this line here. I simply left click and everything is mirrored. In DDS-CAD 16, everything is mirrored, so nothing will be left behind. So let's just see the result in 3D again. I will come again to a 3D view camera, and this is the result.